On the 31st of October 2023, the cryptocurrency called Ton, or Toncoin, set a new world record for becoming the world's fastest blockchain. It managed to achieve an incredible 104,715 transactions per second and completed over 107.5 million transactions in just 25 minutes. And this was checked and approved by CertiK. This makes Ton faster than all layer 1 cryptocurrency blockchains and even the commonly known centralized payment networks such as Visa, MasterCard and PayPal. So the speed, performance and scalability of this cryptocurrency are unparalleled. But what is Toncoin and is it worth investing in? Please do like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you. And let's jump straight in and take a look. The fast speed and scalability of Ton is possible through its infrastructure or architecture. This features horizontal sharding, which allows the Ton blockchain to partition into smaller work chains and shard chains. So basically, its node only needs to store and validate some of the network data rather than storing and verifying the entire blockchain, which is normally what happens with other cryptocurrencies. And according to Ton, its architecture maintains its security and decentralization while ensuring these fast speeds and performance, which in my opinion, I think remains to be seen moving forwards. And I'll touch on this again a bit later. So what is Ton? Well, Ton, or Toncoin, is a layer 1 blockchain network, which was originally set up in 2018, basically by the messaging company Telegram, and it was initially called Gram. But Telegram halted it after a dispute with the SEC in the US, which could be seen as a concern for Ton in the future possibly. Because of this issue, Gram then changed its name to Ton and then started using proof of work through mining. It's now proof of stake because the last available Toncoin has been mined, which closes Ton's initial distribution. And Ton has labeled this mix of proof of work and proof of stake as initial proof of work, or IPOW. So as I've just mentioned, the cryptocurrency is now called Ton, and this stands for Telegram Open Network. There are many aspects to Ton: the Ton blockchain, Ton DNS, Ton storage, and Ton sites. And there are many use cases of it that you can see briefly here. You can set up your own domain names with Ton, for example, use it for payments with Telegram, storage, swap cryptocurrencies, etc. It also has a visible roadmap on its website, a snapshot from which you can see here. There are currently 328 validators, with you needing to stake 300,000 Ton to become one, which is at the moment worth about $744,000, which is a lot and is therefore a high barrier to entry. There's a total supply of over 5 billion Ton, and Ton is currently number 20 in market cap size at the time of recording this video, with over $5 billion. So we've seen that there are obviously a lot of positives, and the growth of Ton has been impressive. However, given the huge speed and scalability of Ton that we looked at the beginning of this video, if you remember from the crypto trilemma that you can see here, a project has never been able to show that it has all three of these aspects: scalability, security, and decentralization, although most do claim that they have all three. And it's important to note that it is hard to see who holds Toncoin on its explorers, what the largest wallets and addresses are, how much the validators hold, etc., which you can for a lot of other cryptocurrencies. And this does make me question the decentralization aspect to it. You'll also likely need to use decentralized exchanges with Toncoin because it's not available on most centralized exchanges. But having looked at it, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below. Do you see Toncoin as something to invest in and that has large potential in the future? Or do you think it's not and the SEC might step in again, for example? Is it just a risk that's not worth taking? And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.